We do my pie, a bed, na medada bakata catado, and you mean, you're very ready, eh? Yeah, the sword has a good inside him. Boy, no Bako for Biaba, my joy today. They had the Kotoku, Abu Bobo, Honina, Nina. Okay, so be whilst one hand me, and I wear the elbow, yet one boko back upon. Make a chill, no. Okay. Okay. So they are shasty abu buinimin. So after the unfortunate happening, we separate them into the 2 rooms. These were supposed to be for the next batch, but that's what we did so they can all get enough food and save life. Now, hey, free to grab every day. Eh? That's congested. Madam Ebo. Na, me the dustbin swaba. Na mo se mo pe bibi mu da spray nyama bi do. Ba ki poisonous abade. That's what we've done. These are some of the empty bottles of medications we've bought, and we've thrown a lot more. So we decided to use the black bag to make it darker. We have the sack on at the back, so they will just crawl through there and go and lay. They are 16 weeks. So any day now, we'll be expecting them. So we're ready. They think I'm bringing food. That's why they're following me around. It's not time to eat, guys. So yeah. This is their feed for the next 1 month. Hey, don't come. For the next 1 month. These are 60 bags. So they're right now on 105 kg per day. So that's their 1 month feed. I just brought it today. So after that, then this is the last time they're on developer. After that one, they are actually on layers. They were supposed to be on pre-layer for 2 weeks, but the people that supply me these Coogis, they don't have pre-layers, so they said developer will work. So I'm just doing extra developer for 2 more weeks, and then starting from week 20 they go on layers. And I talked to my vet, and he said I shouldn't give them more than 120 kg per day at their peak. So that will work out to be about 25 bags of feed a week, because they'll be eating about almost 4 bags a day. So that would be like 25 bags per week. So starting from week 20, they'll be on 25 bags per week till like week 40 or something. Then I'll adjust it based on how they are laying. So 1 month feed checked off. I'm super happy. I don't have to worry about it for 1 month. But as you see it like this, it will be going down so fast, you'll be shocked. Okay, 60 bags, it looks a lot, but it goes down. Right now, it's still 350. Knock on wood, they don't increase it, but I've done my inquiries already, and the layer will be 375. No, 378 per bag. So my next goal is to raise enough money to buy maybe a month worth of feed. I'm going to try and do it monthly, so I don't have to worry about every 2 weeks bringing feed in. So I buy it, get it here, and then I'm okay for like a month. So going forward, I'm not going to do it weekly. I'm going to do it monthly. I'm praying I'll get enough money, and I'm not giving any eggs to anybody on credit. So I should get enough to buy a monthly load of feed. Sometimes you go and you don't have any, and then you have to go get another brand of feed. This time, I think I'm just going to stick with Coogis. I initially, we were thinking about giving them Coogis till they start laying. Then we give them other brands which are cheaper. But we spoke about it, and everybody says Coogis is good, and it's good. I used it before, but I didn't use it throughout. So this time I'm planning on using it throughout to see for myself if what they say is good. Okay, so maybe I'll use Coogis throughout for this one, and then maybe the next batch I'll use Sankofa throughout for that one, and then compare. And then eventually when we make our own, we know which brand of feed is best. People say this is best. People swear by Sankofa. People swear by Coogis. But we personally haven't experienced it in 3 years, because we've used both brands, but we haven't used it throughout. So we're going to try it this time. Okay, that's my phone. Gotta go. Okay, bye guys. Guys, my engine went kaput on my truck, so I've been making use of Abubuya for now. So annoyed. I don't know. We needed oil, we didn't change it on time, and the engine went dead. Today is the last vaccination before they start laying. 3rd Newcastle, and that one is an injection, so we're going to capture them one by one. So I have a vet coming to help me with the injection. He's charging 50 pesos per bird. So, but he said 40 pesos for me, but I'll try. So we're getting ready. We're bringing them from the other one so we can give them an injection, throw them there. The last vaccination before they lay. Pardon? Pay? Oh, it's part of the work, right? So he knows we did what he told us to do. Wait. Oh gosh. 0.5. 0.5, okay. So I'll be very slow. It's not moving.
It's a move. It's okay.
1.5?
Yes.
That's the chicken. There you go.
Mom never opened them. Mom never opened them. Your son and your daughter will be happy.
We'll be here till tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll do it.
We'll be here till tomorrow. Yeah, not bad.
Nine or eight.
Yeah. Awesome.
20. 8, 10.
Now it's our time. Hey, Abako. We're done. It took us 4 hours. So we're all done. And now they're gonna go back to their homes. So you see them flying in. So we are officially done with all vaccination. Now I'm waiting for the day for them to lay. Any day now. Hopefully by next week I'll see a sign. Any day now. From week 18 going. Awesome.